Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Making this a small video just to explain what is my Magic IB system is all about. By the way, thank you for clicking and coming to my website. So let's get started. My Magic IB system is a very precise and accurate system to make entries in the Forex market or any other market. It works on MT4, if you know the MT4 station platform. That's where it works. You can see these candles are a little bit different than the normals, right? Because I use a special indicator, okay, custom-made indicator to draw these candles. These are called Renko, plus I have some other thing mixed in it, and some different kind of special settings that generate these candles, which are very precise. You will see more in the coming slides. So let me show you first the last week video, the trades I did with this. This is a pound Aussie 20-minute chart in the 4th of July, and this is how it is. This was the entry. I forgot to mark here the yellow mark. And this is the buy entry here. You can see my entries and my SL. And there are a couple of other factors, which is, I don't have time in this video to explain, but this is how it works. So I took this entry all the way to the upside, and look at this one. This is CAD yen. I will explain this CAD yen. Weekly chart I'll show you also, because that is the key. My weekly chart is the key to take all these CAD yen trades this week. So you can see here how nice and clean these entries are, right? This is a buy entry here. This is another one. This is a 28 June, 29 June. Every single day you will get an entry, and for hundreds of pips. Okay, this is CAD yen on the 4th of July, the same day. Then we have Euro Aussie trade. Okay, after a little retracement, right at the support level here, and this entry. Gone all the way to the upside, 410 pips. Okay, now look at this one. Euro yen also has I have weekly chart on this one, this pair, with my analysis telling me that it's going to go way to the upside. So all I have to do is take buy only. You don't want to go short, because also all the EMAs, all these lines are aligned to the upside, so the pair is trending to the upside. So all you do is you take buy entries and wait for the retracement, and don't take the sell entries. So this is buy, and the last entry I'm showing here, this is my entry here, this is my SL, move to the break even, and this one gone almost like 130-40 pip. Okay, so this is on the 6th July, Euro USD also bouncing from this area very nicely in the volume time. Like I said, the timing is also very, very important. When you cannot trade 24 hour. This market is open 24 hour, but you cannot trade it 24 hour. Okay? These very specific timing that you can trade. If you trade in the wrong time, you're gonna lose. Okay, even though it looks very good, but it will end up making you lose money. So you have to know what are the exact timings when the volume is there. Okay, so this is Euro USD on the 6th. The next trade you can see, this is pound yen 40-minute chart. This was a beautiful entry for hundreds of pips, and then this one, and then this one, the last it's Thursday, and it's so far 90 pip, and you can see it is powerfully going to the upside for more. And then on the 7th you have USD yen. Okay, look at how many entries, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all buy entries, and all went good for some pip, right? Some amount of pip. This is the entry, and the SL moved to the break even plus, and just keep going. The idea is that retracement is the red candle, and then when blue candle starts with this indicator all the way in the bottom and coming out to the upside, that's the one we take. For example, this one, red, reversal candle, and couple of blue candles with the indicator all the way down, that's a buy entry. Similarly here, red candles, reversal candles, couple of them, and then blue candles, I open the trade, gone with the wind. And the last trade of the week was the best one, 7th July on Friday, NFP. Look at my entry, and here, well, this pair all along is giving a lot of pippage. Okay, I'll show you after this. I'll show you what is the reason. See, this is buy, and this is the last one. Buy entry all the way gone. Okay, and you can see here, this indicator confirms that there is no entry here in between these two. Right, this is the one. This is the one. Then it comes here to touchdown. This came very close, but not the second line. But this was a very beautiful entry. This is a good one, right? And this is 130 plus pay on the Friday, which is the last Friday, so 7th July 2017. So this is how it works. And let me show you what my analysis is. Why I'm taking so many CAD entries is this. When you subscribe, you become a part of my group, and then you get to attend the webinars, right? I do webinars Sunday and Wednesday. Today is Sunday at 4 o'clock. In a few hours, I have to do the webinar where I show these charts and my analysis, and go over those charts and explain everything to my subscribers, how it goes, and what to expect and what's going to happen. For example, I made this chart, Cadian, June 16th, that it's going to go up here, based on Elliott wave study and harmonic pattern together. Okay, this is all of these things I'll teach you in my webinars. So based on this, that is going to go up. All I have to do is just wait every single night when the volume comes in and take long entries in CAD yen. What happened to this chart? And this chart ended up so far, last Friday is here, 450 pip all the way up. Every time it dips, I make the entry and then go for again 100 pip, 100, 80 pip, 90 pip, easy. Okay. Now another chart, for example, I'll show you. I'm not gonna show all the charts, but a few more. Euro USD, for example, I made this chart on January 9th. That is going to go from here to here. Again, Elliott wave calculation, wave 3, ABC wave 4, wave 5. And after that, is going to be going for a reversal or correction. Right? Since it's coming down, a lot of people will be going short here, but no, you cannot do that. You must know that where it goes after finishing wave 5. So what happened to this chart is this. You see, I pointed exactly to here, and then we are here right now as of last Friday. So this is how the powerful, and this is all together from here to here is 850 pip bounce. One more chart, that's it. I will show you it's a USDCAD weekly chart. A, B, C, harmonic pattern, butterfly, point C, as it's going to come down to point D, and it is coming down nice and clean so far. Probably it is like 400 to 500 pip drop so far already. Okay, but I do not trade this pair. I just do it for my subscribers and for people, but I just don't trade at all. So that's why I don't have any chart to show my trades on this one, because I don't trade this one, and USD franc I don't trade. So these are this is the system and my analysis, very powerful. And I have these weekly charts made for almost every single pair and indexes. I also deal with indexes. For example, I don't know if I have the charts open for indexes. For example, if USD Index, if you, let me just open it quickly and I'll show you. USDX, I cover and I step by step watching and covering that pair. It's not pair, it's a USD Index. You must know that it is a USD index. Where is the charts? Let me just go and open USD index. Here, okay. So my old chart, if I show you, I'm not going to show it here. It's going to be, the video is going to be too long. It was here when I said that it's going to drop here, then go up, and then come down. Let me show it real quick, okay. My old picture of this USD index. It's 148. Okay, it's going to be right around here. Okay, look at this chart here. January, I hope made this chart that's going to drop here and then go up and this, come down here. And so far, this has done so much here. Okay, so this is powerful stuff. You get to learn everything, and you get to get the IB system. Let me see if I can show you what do you get. Like, see this one, this is a folder that you get in the email, for example, for Magic IB system, where you have an EA. This is an alarm EA, by the way. And when you have a setup built, this alarm EA start beeping. For example, here, if you have an EA, like I have it here, see, Magic IB alarm. Okay, so if you open a chart, and then if you apply this EA here, okay, and running, and then you go and watch TV and doing, playing around with, your kids and or doing some work or whatever. But when this retracement is happening and then this indicator comes all the way down, it will start beeping. And if these EMAs are aligned in a specific way, this alarm start beeping. And at that point, you can come and take a look if the setup is about to, or it may be in half an hour, 10 minutes, 15 minutes. You don't have to sit in front of the computer all the time. You set these charts up and let it run, and then you have your Magic IB alarm in place, and when it beeps, you can come and you can see which pair is beeping, and then you can take it from there. Just watch it for a reversal candle and couple of trigger candle, and you open a trade, put your stop loss, and leave the room. That's all there is. So it becomes very easy. Okay, and so you get three folders. First, you get all this, the indicators, the EA, then Magic Alarm, Magic IB alarm. Plus, you're gonna get another folder, which is see this one. It says new charts, then template pairs, and then templates indexes. So I give you the templates of all. For example, this is the one, right? USD weekly, USDX weekly chart. So I make a template out of it and then save it, right? So I have saved all the indexes and all the pairs. I have monthly chart and weekly charts, which I have on my computer. I have made the templates out of that. And then I send out to my subscribers so that you have the same charts with all this work done for you on your computer. When I'm talking in the webinar, then you will be seeing the same chart as I'm talking on this chart, okay, and we will be on the same page, so it will help moving our understanding more. So you get this three folders in the email, and the webinar I already mentioned. I do webinar on Wednesday and Sunday, which live webinars where I explain all these charts, before charts, just setups if there are any, okay. And not only that, all these webinars I'm recording. Okay, so what happened is that, see this my website. This is the area, the previous webinar recordings. When you come here, you have this is a password protected area only for subscribers. Once you put the password in, you get in here and look at how many previous recording of all the webinars I did, years and years. It's a lot of stuff to learn here. Powerful stuff, and all the analysis, how I do everything is here. Market recap is just all, these are all recordings of previous webinars. Plus I have a YouTube channel, which almost I have here 863 videos explaining, but here is just a journal, like a weekly recap I'm showing, and some journal stuff, not teaching a lot here. I teach, in my webinars, especially only for subscribers. On top of that, I have a Twitter account where I tweet on a daily basis what's happening. And for example, here you see July 7th, I said the yen index not giving up, pushing again to break this area. And if that happens, all the yen pairs going to go up. Okay, posting my charts and giving you heads up what's happening and what to expect on the Twitter constantly. So all in all, you are in good hands. You're going to learn a lot, and especially you're going to get this Magic IB system, which is very, very precise and accurate for entries. You could look at these entries. I mean, how can you beat this? It's very simple. Look at this. This is pound USD chart. Entry, 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 gone with the wind. Hundreds and hundreds of pips. Very, very easy. Okay. So this is it for now. I just wanted to show that what is Magic IB system is all about. And this is not only you can trade Forex, but you can trade commodities, anything as long as it is on MT4. This indicator that draw these candles works on MT4 only. Okay, so if you are trading, even if you are trading for, let's say, Think or Swim or any other trade station or platform, you can have your live account in those station or that station that what you have. But for the sake of finding entries, you can open the MT4 demo account and put all this stuff on there, and then just watch here on this, for example, Forex.com, right, or FXCM. So you open a demo account and you can watching here. You can watch here, select, for example, EURUSD is making an entry here. So instead of taking entry here, you can go ahead and you can open a trade in your Think or Swim or any other trade station that you have your live account with. Okay, so you can do that. But again, I want to make sure that this system is only for MT4 station. Okay, so I showed you almost everything, and below this video, you have a subscribe button if you like what you saw. You want to be a part of the group and start trading the way we are doing. Last week we did week before last week more than 700 pip. This last week ended July 7th, more than 500 pip in 1 week, and you can see it. It's all of them in front of you. Okay, you can go on my website and you can see a lot more there, a lot of charts. Almost I have it since the beginning of June. All those charts, all those entries, they are there. Okay, so this is it for now. And like I said, if you like it, just below this video, you'll see a subscribe button. You can subscribe through PayPal or with your debit or credit card. Just use buy now button for debit or credit card, or subscribe button for PayPal. Become a part of it, and believe me or not, you will be glad that you did. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day and the rest of the weekend. Bye for now, and see you in my webinars.